Welcome back, viewers. The Supreme Court, while hearing the RG Kar Medical College rape and murder case, tore into the TMC government yesterday, and they raised questions over several evident lapses on the part of the Bengal government, that is the police and also the hospital administration. Firstly, the court asked why was there over a 13-hour delay in filing an FIR in the case. Certainly, the court also questioned why was the crime scene not secured after the FIR was filed, and why was the autopsy done even before the case of an unnatural death was filed. Now, even the body was cremated in a hurry reportedly. That was even before the FIR had been filed. Now, the Bengal Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, has reached out to the Prime Minister. She's written to the Prime Minister to introduce a central legislation to combat increasing rape cases. She's highlighted the alarming frequency of such crimes and advocated for fast-track special courts for quick and speedy justice. She's also urged that trials in rape case should be completed within 15 days. And on the other hand, you have Trinamool Netas who have questioned the CBI probe, claiming that what the CBI told the Supreme Court was based on social media reports.
Setting up of fast-track special courts for speedy trial in such cases should also be considered in the proposed legislation. To ensure quick justice, trial in such cases should preferably be completed within 15 days.
सवाल मीडिया में जो सोशल मीडिया में जो घूम रहा है वो बेसलेस पॉइंट्स लेकर सीबीआई के तरफ से आज सवाल हो जा रहा था। सीबीआई ने अभी एक भी अरेस्ट सीबीआई ने नहीं किया। वो सिर्फ कंफ्यूज कर रहा है, टाइम किलिंग कर रहा है और कोर्ट में जाकर वो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर रहा है।
Doctors cannot, blackmail the common people. Their solemn duty is to give medical service to the poor and common people. Do you have any right to deny medical services?
Meanwhile, the BJP has called West Bengal the most unsafe place for women with acts which are happening, as they say, more like a doormat of the ruling TMC. BJP is also questioned why Mamata defended Sandesh Khali and why was she silent on the Chopra flagging. BJP has also demanded the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's resignation. Listen into all the political reactions which have come in.
पश्चिम बंगाल मुख्यमंत्री की पदत्याग चाहिए, बस यही पहला यही आखिरी। पश्चिम बंगाल मुख्यमंत्री घृण्य जघन्य अपराध को छुपाने का पूरा टीम बनाती है, उनके पदत्याग चाहिए।
जो न्यायाधीश है सुप्रीम कोर्ट को, उन्होंने भी बोला कि मेरे 30 साल की सर्विस में देखा नहीं सुना नहीं है। अब समझ सकते हैं किस प्रकार घटना हो रहा है। यहाँ सब जगह दिमाग लग गया है और उसका ऊपर बैठे हुए ममता बनर्जी, उनको बदलना पड़ेगा।
The story in Kolkata is not just tragic, it is horrific. It shakes the conscience of any human being. Behind anything that is attacking or outraging the modesty of a lady, you have to take action.
As she says, rape happens all over. Rape happens all over the world. What does that mean? Does it give you any shelter? This has been her track record starting from the days of Park Street, is always protect the perpetrators. A lady chief minister doing this is unimaginable, it's preposterous. But the way the people are on the street, it's just unending demonstration. I think her end days are not far.